Ciao, welcome to my channel Learn Italian Language. In this lecture, we will learn some daily use Italian words that are used in our daily life, in our habits. Okay, first word is vertigini. Vertigini means dizziness, dizziness, okay, dizziness, चक्कर आना, okay, चक्कर आना, vertigini, dizziness, vomitare, vomitare, vomit, vomit, okay. Tosse secca, tosse mean cough, secca mean dry, dry cough, dry cough mean खुश्क खांसी. Okay, tosse secca, dry cough, खुश्क खांसी. Prurito, prurito mean itching, itching, harish zada. Okay, next is sintomo. Sintomo means symptoms, symptom. Okay, sintomo means symptom. Ansia, ansia means anxiety, anxiety. Okay, beceni, anxiety. Sintomi, sintomi, sintomo è singolare, sintomi plurale, symptoms, symptoms. Okay, next word is depressione. Depressione means depression. Okay, depression, zihni दबाव. Okay, depressione, depression. Avevo fatto, I had done. Here we will see the difference. Avevo fatto, I had done. If there is o fatto means I did. Okay, in past indefinite tense in Italian is o fatto, I did. But past perfect tense in English, I had done. In Italian is called as avevo fatto. Okay, avevo fatto, I had done. O fatto, I did. Ho detto, I said. Ho sentito, detto word come from dire. Dire mean to say. Ho detto, I said. Ho sentito, sentito word come from sentire. Ho sentito, I heard. Okay, I heard. Or I feel, I felt. Ho visto. Visto word come from visitare. Okay. Ho visto, I visit or I saw. Okay. Ho preso. Preso word come from prendere, to take. Okay. I take. Ho preso, I took. Okay. Ho scritto, I wrote. These all are past indefinite tense because here we use second form of verb. Okay. Dire. Dire mean to say. Chiedere. Chiedere mean to ask. Okay. Let's repeat. Vertigini. Vertigini, dizziness, चक्कर आना. Vomitare, vomit, क्या. Tosse secca, dry cough, खुश्क खांसी. Prurito, itching, हारिस ज़दा. Sintomo, symptoms, अलामात. Ansia, anxiety, परेशानी. Sintomi, symptoms. Depressione, depression, ज़हनी दबाव. Avevo fatto, I had done. Ho detto, I said. Ho sentito, I heard. Ho visto, I saw. Ho preso, I took. Ho scritto, I wrote. Dire, to say. Chiedere, to ask. Okay. If you want to learn Italian, please subscribe my channel Learn Italian Language on YouTube and like and share my videos. And if you have any question, you can ask in a comment box. Ciao!